I say, oh my God, I see a coughing guy. Wash your hands, my dear, and keep them both from mine. You know I blocked my breath when you were passing by. Now you should go and buy the mask in 95. And I'll give you tissues, please do sneeze inside. Cause oh my, your mouth's like a crocodile's. Ooh, your forehead sweating, your fever seems high. I'd wear a mask, but what about my eyes? So don't you sneeze on me, cough on me, talk to me, no.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.